It is day one and we are coming up on St. Kitts, our first stop, and it's approximately almost 9 o'clock, which is our time that we're supposed to come into port. And out here we have St. Kitts in the background. We are at South Friars Beach. Everything is really nice here, really nice landscape, and the people do not try to sell you anything. Getting off the ship was a little hectic, but once you get here, it's definitely worth it. This is our view so far. I'll give this beach a 10 out of 10. Just got a quick time lapse set up out here with the GoPro, filming that in the background.
Okay, we're leaving for the day. Heading back to the cruise ship. One more last look.
Thank you. Alright, we are back on the ship from St. Lucia. I got a time lapse going here. It's a little precariously perched over the side of the ship, so hopefully this Jaws mount holds up pretty good. My drone was confiscated on the way back onto the ship today, so I'll have to go through the process of getting it back tomorrow. And that just entails of letting guest services know that you will need it to film tomorrow, and they will check with the country that you are going to and make sure that you can legally fly it there, and then you retrieve it at the gangway as you exit the ship. So we'll see how that goes tomorrow. I'll try to film as much of it as I can. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.